Number one by Mr. Kabango from the Congo. All right, what are we learning today? So here's what we're learning today. Today you'll be diving into adding rational expressions, right? So, well, you're actually adding and subtracting, not only adding. All right, so be ready to take notes because it's going to be an interesting ride. All right, so this is how we're going to do it. When you're adding, remember how you do like 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2? If they have, let's just say that was 5. If they have the common denominator, then you just keep your life simple and then you just add the top, right? Then it'd be like 6 over here and then you get like 3 over 2. That's what we're doing here. Common denominator, x plus 3 and x plus 3, duh, they're already common, right? Because they're already common, you can just rewrite it as a denominator. My common denominator is x plus 3 because they are duh. All right, so then you just take the top. The first top is x plus the second top is 2x plus 4. Then you just add the top by repeating your denominator, your common denominator. So x plus 2x, you get 3x plus their 4. You done. Because there's really not much you can do. If there are further things to do, then you continue your work from that, right? So check out this one right here. Common denominator, check. They're all the same. Because they're all the same, you just rewrite your common denominator. Then you just add the top. So it looks like we have x, the top first left top, minus right top. All right, now is where we kind of do, okay, is there any extra thing we can do here? Yes, there is. Here it is. This one right here, I can break it down. I can break it down to x plus 4 and x minus 4. That is just called the difference of squares. All right. So, and then I still have the x minus 4 on top. Then you can just cancel. Adios, adios. You with me? I can eliminate the common stuff like we did last week. Then you're down with this one as your final answer. Boom. There it is. Boom. All right, let's move on. Número tres. Número tres says just find the least common denominator. They just want you to find the common denominator. They don't want you to do too much. All right, so now you start noticing that here's one, right? And here's the other one. Are they the same? No, they're not. So what do? Just rewrite it. Since they're not, you don't have to overthink this stuff. You just take them both. Let them join you. The common denominator is this. The common denominator is so nice and kind. We just welcome all of them. All right, so x plus 4 and x minus 4 will be the common denominator. That's it. I didn't ask you to solve, just identify it. All right, number 4 says common denominator for those two. Well, I can break this one down. So I'm going to go to my side work here. This is my side work, right? Where I kind of do my side work over here. So I have x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? I'm looking for something that multiplies to 6, but the sum is 5. 3 and 2. Because 3 plus 2, you get 5. Therefore, you get x plus 3 and x plus 2. Got it. Now, ask yourself, where are my common denominators for this one? Where are my common? So x plus 2 and x plus 2, those are definitely common. So what you're going to start is by writing that, saying that is one of the common denominator, which is, well, what are the factors? And then where am I left over? There is a leftover. This one doesn't have anything to be common with. Like I said, common denominator, we are so kind. We welcome everybody to the party. So x plus 3. That's it. That's the common denominator for that, right? So what about, let's do this one right here. So I'm going to need space for this. This right here, I'm going to need space. So I'm going to my side work right here. Let's go in red. Side work. All right, so I'm dealing with 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Slide and divide. That should give you negative 18. I'm looking for the sum to be 7. 9 and 2. Yep, 9 and 2. But one of them got to be negative. How about 2? Boom, there it is. Boom, there it is. Because if you do 9 minus 2, you get 7. So adios, my friend. Boom. So you have x plus 9, and then you have x minus 2. All right. Where are my common? Boom, boom. Oh, I'm not done. So I did the mistake that you guys make all the time. Haha, Mr. K. So first, let me write it here, x plus 9 and x minus 2. Remember how you do slide and divide? So now you got to divide this 3, bring it down here, bring it down here. So that should be x plus 3. That should be 3x minus 2. There it is. So x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. All right, now my common denominator are, I have you and I have you. There, and then my leftover is this one. So final answer equals, the final answer equals the 3x minus 2 and the x plus 3, the leftover. That's it. So this is how you just find it, right? This is how you just get it. But now it's time to put all